When you install WooCommerce, it automatically creates a shop page. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily edit the WooCommerce shop page to match your website's design and needs. Let's get started. First, go to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. There, you'll find the shop page that was automatically created by WooCommerce during installation. Now, click on the shop page and open it in edit mode. Please note that this page doesn't contain visible content because WooCommerce dynamically generates it using templates. If you're using a page builder like Elementor, you may need to use the WooCommerce widgets or a custom shop template to visually edit the content and layout. After editing the shop page with Elementor, it doesn't work properly. So, first we need to change the shop page settings in the WooCommerce products configuration. Select any page other than the shop page, and now you'll be able to edit it properly. You can edit the shop page as you wish, but keep in mind that you also have the option to create a new page and set it as the shop page in the WooCommerce settings. Now, you can change the text, style and contents as you want. You can also change the page layout, like Elementor Canvas, Elementor Full Width, Themes, etc. Finally, click the Publish button and check the shop page. Now we'll make the store visible to the public. To do this, go to your WooCommerce settings. Turn on the live setting, then scroll down and click Save to make it active. Yes, your store is live. Now, I'll show you how to create a custom shop page and also how to configure it as the default shop page in WooCommerce. Type your shop page title. Publish this page. Now, you click to Edit with Elementor button to edit this new shop page. Now, go ahead and design your shop page just the way you want using Elementor. You can add product grids, categories, filters, banners, and other WooCommerce widgets to create a fully customized layout that fits your brand. After completing your shop page design, you can set this new page as your default shop page in WooCommerce settings. To do this, go to WooCommerce in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Settings. Next, navigate to the Products tab. Under the Shop Page drop-down menu, select your newly designed page and click Save Changes. Now, check the Update design. I hope this video helped you understand how to easily modify or change your WooCommerce shop page. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tips.